Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by verifying you control the right Google account. Sign in, then open Google Maps or the Business Profile Manager and find your listing. Once located, confirm the core details: address, phone, hours, website, and gather photos or PDF menus. Make sure to check whether the profile is claimed or requires verification. If unclaimed, start verification now. This prevents future rejections and speeds updates. Now proceed to edit mode, so you can update fields directly and save changes. Once in edit mode, change the visible core fields: name, hours, category, and service area. These affect search relevance. You should add attributes like wheelchair accessible or appointment required because Google surfaces them. Next, upload multiple high-quality photos, pick a cover and logo, and label images as interior, exterior, or product. Make sure links, website, booking use HTTPS. After edits, preview them. Some changes are immediate, while others enter review, so expect a brief delay. You save the changes and then monitor the listing. Google may flag some edits for review. Check email and the business profile dashboard for status. If updates are rejected, recheck formatting, avoid keyword stuffing, and resubmit. If problems persist, request help via Google support or start re-verification. Make sure to monitor reviews and insights weekly to confirm visibility improvements. A key troubleshooting tip: if edits don't publish, clear cached data, test another browser or device, and verify the account ownership once more.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.